Formula One, often abbreviated as F1, is the pinnacle of motorsport racing, renowned for its high-speed excitement, cutting-edge technology, and global appeal. Since its inception in 1950, Formula One has captured the imagination of racing enthusiasts worldwide, becoming one of the most prestigious and watched sporting events on the planet. At the heart of Formula One is the pursuit of speed and innovation, with teams constantly pushing the boundaries of engineering and design to gain a competitive edge. From aerodynamic advancements to hybrid power units, Formula One cars represent the forefront of automotive technology, showcasing the latest innovations in materials, electronics, and propulsion systems. Beyond the technical marvels, Formula One is a spectacle of skill and strategy, where drivers showcase their talent on some of the world's most iconic racing circuits. The sport demands not only lightning-fast reflexes, but also meticulous planning and teamwork, as drivers and teams navigate the complexities of race strategy, tire management, and aerodynamic performance. Formula One's global appeal transcends borders, with races held in countries spanning continents, from the historic streets of Monaco to the modern circuits of Abu Dhabi. Each race weekend is a spectacle of speed and glamour, attracting millions of viewers and fans who are captivated by the drama and intensity of the competition. With its rich history, technological innovation, and thrilling racing action, Formula One continues to captivate audiences around the world, earning its place as one of the most prestigious and iconic motorsport series in existence. Formula One uses a point system to determine the championship standings for both drivers and constructors, teams. Here's how it works. Drivers' Championship. Points are awarded to the top 10 finishers in each race. The winner earns 25 points, with second place receiving 18 points, third place getting 15 points, and so on. The driver who sets the fastest lap in the top 10 also earns an additional point. If a race cannot be completed and less than 75% of the race distance is covered, half points are awarded. Constructors' Championship. The same point system used for the Drivers' Championship applies to the Constructors' Championship. However, points are awarded based on the combined results of both drivers from each team. For example, if a team's drivers finish first and second, the team earns a total of 43 points, 25 plus 18. At the end of the season, the driver and constructor with the highest number of points are crowned world champions. The point system is designed to reward consistency and performance throughout the season, encouraging drivers and teams to strive for podium finishes in every race. Formula One is also considered one of the most demanding sports due to its physical and mental challenges. Drivers endure high G-forces, extreme temperatures, and intense concentration throughout races that can last over 90 minutes. They must understand complex car systems and adapt their driving to changing conditions while facing immense pressure to perform. Maintaining peak physical fitness, handling media commitments, and managing risks further contribute to the demanding lifestyle of a Formula One driver. Each Formula One team typically fields 2 drivers, totaling 20 drivers on the grid for a race. These drivers compete against each other and the clock, striving for victory in each Grand Prix. As for performance, several teams consistently stand out as front-runners due to their superior resources, technical expertise, and talented drivers. Historically dominant teams include Mercedes-AMG Formula One team, Scuderia Ferrari, and Red Bull Racing. These teams often battle for race wins and championships, with Mercedes particularly dominant in recent years. As for drivers, names like Lewis Hamilton, Max Verstappen, and Charles Leclerc are among the top performers. Hamilton, with his record-breaking greatest drivers in F1 history. Verstappen, known for his aggressive driving style and raw talent, challenges Hamilton for supremacy on the track. Leclerc, a rising star at Ferrari, has showcased remarkable speed and skill, earning accolades despite the team's recent struggles. Friday, typically reserved for practice sessions, where drivers familiarize themselves with the track and teams gather data on car performance and tire wear. Saturday features the final practice session to fine-tune setups, followed by the all-important qualifying session. Track battles all play pivotal roles in shaping the outcome of the race. The podium ceremony celebrates the top 3 finishers, concluding the weekend's action. Thanks for tuning in to today's video. If you enjoyed what you watched, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.